For more than half a century, this fund has protected more than 5 million acres of land, from playgrounds to parks to priceless landscapes, all without costing taxpayers a dime.
That our country's way of life and our freedom is a priceless inheritance.
When we discovered that we were short of land and water, we realized that we had a priceless resource, the courageous, undefeatable human spirit.
Knowing you can offer your family the security of health care, that's priceless.
It comes with challenges and difficulties like any work worth doing, but also with the priceless rewards of changing lives, instilling hope in the hearts of children, and of seeing potential come to fruition.
But understand that this is something that can give you the kind of security and peace of mind that is priceless.